Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your favorite spot for all things beautiful, cozy, and beautifully livable. I am so excited you are here today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, a full summer makeover of a modern farmhouse home, from the very first thing you see outside all the way to the garage. We are talking clean lines, breezy textures, sun-warmed palettes, and all those irresistible cozy layers that make a farmhouse feel like a forever hug. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button right now. Trust me, you do not want to miss a single video we have coming your way. Drop a comment below telling me your favorite summer color. I read every single one. And do not forget to like this video to help us keep creating content just like this for you. Now let us get this summer farmhouse tour started. Before you even step inside, the exterior of a modern farmhouse should feel like a deep breath of fresh summer air. Think crisp white board and batten siding, that classic vertical wood panel look, paired with warm natural cedar accents on the porch columns and window trim. For summer, swap out heavy dark shutters for soft sage green or dusty blue ones to bring in that seasonal freshness. Window boxes overflowing with white petunias and trailing greenery add organic softness. A simple black metal house number plate and a matte black front lantern keep the style current, grounded, and beautifully confident without trying too hard. Your entryway sets the emotional tone of your entire home, so let us make it count. For a summer farmhouse entry, start with a woven jute mat at the door, natural, durable, and wonderfully textured. A shiplap-backed hall tree with black iron coat hooks holds sun hats and linen jackets beautifully. Add a slim oak shoe cabinet underneath for hidden storage. Keep it clean, keep it simple. A round leaning mirror with a raw wood frame bounces light beautifully in small spaces. Finish with a small ceramic vase of dried cotton stems on a floating shelf and a worn leather key hook that says "Home" in the most effortless way. Step into the living room and feel the season immediately. The modern farmhouse living room in summer leans into a palette of warm white, oat, and soft sage, light, airy, and endlessly inviting. Choose a slip-covered sofa in natural linen as your anchor piece. Slipcovers are a farmhouse classic for a reason. They are washable and casual in the best possible way. Layer in a chunky woven cotton throw-in cream. Toss on a couple of textured boucle cushions, and ground the seating area with a natural fiber rug like seagrass or jute. A reclaimed wood coffee table with an iron base brings that signature farmhouse contrast of rustic and refined. The farmhouse dining room in summer should feel like every meal is worth lingering over. Start with a solid oak pedestal dining table. The pedestal base gives extra leg room and looks wonderfully architectural. For chairs, mix a farmhouse bench on one side with linen upholstered chairs on the other. That mix-and-match approach is so signature and relaxed. For the table decor, think simple. A low centerpiece of white hydrangeas in a ceramic pitcher, a linen table runner in natural flax, and simple glassware that lets the light play. A statement woven rattan pendant light above the table ties the whole thing together with that perfect summer warmth. Now let us talk about the kitchen, the absolute heartbeat of every farmhouse home. For summer, go with white shaker-style cabinetry. Those simple recessed panel doors are the cornerstone of farmhouse kitchen design, and they keep the space feeling light and open. Open floating shelves in warm oak above the counter add character and let you display your prettiest ceramic mugs and wooden cutting boards. A stainless steel refrigerator with clean lines fits seamlessly without breaking the farmhouse aesthetic. The farmhouse apron front sink in white fire clay is non-negotiable. It is practical, beautiful, and deeply iconic. Tuck a small matte black espresso machine on the counter alongside a ceramic sugar bowl and a little potted herb, coffee, and charm in one perfect corner. Every modern farmhouse needs a family room that is as easy to live in as it is beautiful to look at. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap feature wall, The horizontal wood panels give the screen a built-in, intentional look rather than a floating afterthought. Frame the TV wall with 2 tall potted fiddle leaf figs in woven baskets for that lush summer greenery. The sectional sofa here can go a shade warmer. Try a warm caramel or a dusty terracotta linen for a space that feels deeply lived in and loved. A woven storage basket under the side table hides remotes and cozy socks, because real family living needs real storage solutions built right in. Here is where the modern farmhouse gets wonderfully clever. A multifunctional nook can serve as both your home office and your reading retreat without feeling crowded. Choose a slim, unique wooden desk with hairpin legs for a vintage modern look, small enough to tuck into a corner, characterful enough to deserve a spotlight. Style the desktop with a small brass desk clock, a ceramic pen holder, and a petite vintage-style radio for soft background music while you work. For the reading nook beside it, build a simple window seat with a thick linen cushion and floor-to-ceiling open shelving. A single swing-arm wall sconce in matte black gives you warm, directional reading light without stealing valuable desk space. Your bedroom should feel like the most peaceful room in the house, and in a summer farmhouse, that means pure, breezy, layered softness. Start with a white upholstered linen bed frame, low profile and clean-lined. It reads as both modern and warmly farmhouse. Layer the bedding in whites, soft oats, and a single textured quilt in warm sage. A reclaimed wood bedside table with a simple white ceramic lamp keeps things grounded and organic. For summer, swap heavy drapes for sheer linen curtains that billow gently and flood the room with golden morning light. A small potted eucalyptus on the windowsill adds the most beautiful natural fragrance, your personal daily luxury. A farmhouse bathroom done right feels like your own private spa, and summer is the perfect season to make it feel extra fresh. Install a walk-in shower with white subway tile in a classic brick pattern and frameless glass panels. The simplicity here is everything. Choose a freestanding white ceramic vessel sink on a natural wood vanity for the wash basin area. The contrast of cool ceramic against warm wood is beautifully modern farmhouse. Layer in a woven cotton bath mat. Fold white Turkish towels on an aged brass towel bar, and add a small glass tray with a bar of artisanal soap and a beeswax candle. That tray trick pulls everything together instantly. Who says the garage has to be purely functional? In a modern farmhouse, even the garage gets the style treatment. Start with white panel garage doors with black hardware. They echo the farmhouse exterior beautifully and add serious curb appeal. Inside, install a wall-mounted pegboard system in white for tool organization. It looks intentional rather than chaotic. Add built-in wooden shelving units along one wall with labeled baskets for seasonal storage. A durable concrete floor sealed in a matte gray finish is both easy to clean and visually clean. Hang a simple chalkboard on the wall for household to-do lists, small, charming, and endlessly practical for a busy family. The patio is where your summer farmhouse truly comes alive, and this space deserves as much design intention as any room indoors. Start with large format concrete pavers in a warm buff tone for the floor. They are durable, modern, and beautiful. Choose an outdoor dining table in teak or powder-coated steel with a reclaimed look, paired with cross-back chairs in natural rattan. String bistro lights overhead for that golden evening glow that makes every dinner feel like a special occasion. Add a potted olive tree in a terracotta planter as your statement piece. Tuck a couple of outdoor lanterns near the door, and layer a weather-resistant outdoor rug underfoot. Summer living, fully realized. Modern farmhouse design is not simply about barn doors and shiplap. It is a beautifully balanced philosophy. The style marries the warmth of traditional farmhouse elements like natural wood, linen, and handcrafted ceramics with the clarity of contemporary design, clean lines, neutral palettes, and intentional simplicity. Think of it as refined rustic. Every piece earns its place and nothing is purely decorative. The key principle is contrast. smooth against rough, light against dark, old against new. When you understand this balance, every design decision becomes easier and more confident. Your home starts to feel curated rather than collected, and that distinction is everything. Summer in a farmhouse calls for a palette that feels as warm as the season itself without ever becoming loud or overwhelming. Build your base with warm whites and soft oats. Think Swiss coffee and linen, not stark bright white. Layer in one or two accent shades. Sage green and dusty blue are both beautifully summer-appropriate and deeply farmhouse in spirit. Add warmth with natural wood tones. Honey oak, aged cedar, and blonde pine all work brilliantly. Finally, bring in texture as your third dimension. Woven seagrass, rough linen, smooth ceramics. Color in a farmhouse is always quiet, but it is never boring. It speaks in whispers that add up to something deeply beautiful. Great farmhouse design starts with great furniture choices, and summer is actually the ideal time to reassess what you own and what you truly need. Invest in a few key anchor pieces: a solid wood dining table, a slip-covered sofa, and a reclaimed wood sideboard. These three pieces alone will carry an entire open-plan living and dining space with effortless farmhouse character. 4 secondary pieces: side tables, accent chairs, shelving. Shop vintage, thrift, or repurpose what you already have. That mix of investment pieces and found treasures is exactly what gives a modern farmhouse its authentic, layered, lived-in personality. It should look like it was collected over a lifetime, not ordered from a single catalog. In farmhouse design, the accessories are where your personality truly comes through, so choose them with intention and love. For summer, think woven baskets in varying sizes displayed together, ceramic pitchers filled with fresh-cut garden stems, wooden breadboards leaned against a tiled backsplash, and glass bottles repurposed as vases. Layer books horizontally on shelves with small objects on top, a smooth river stone, a hand-thrown bowl, a brass candlestick. In the kitchen, display your prettiest wooden spoons in a tall crock beside the stove. These small details are not afterthoughts. They are the finishing sentences of your design story, and they deserve the same care as everything else. Lighting in a farmhouse home is one of the most powerful and most underestimated design tools you have. For summer, lean into natural light as much as possible. Keep window treatments sheer and light, and place mirrors strategically to bounce daylight deep into the room. For artificial lighting, layer 3 types in every main room: ambient overhead light for general use, task lighting like a table lamp or under cabinet lights for function, and accent lighting like a candle or a warm glow LED strip to create atmosphere after dark. Choose fixtures in matte black, aged brass, or natural rattan for perfect farmhouse alignment. Dimmers are non-negotiable. They let you shift the mood of a room in seconds. You do not need to renovate to refresh your home for summer. Sometimes the smallest changes carry the biggest impact. Swap your throw pillow covers to a lighter linen or cotton in soft sage or warm white. Roll up any heavy area rugs and bring in a natural jute or seagrass rug for the season. Clear your kitchen counters of everything except your most beautiful everyday pieces. That negative space is deeply refreshing. Add a bowl of lemons or limes to your kitchen island. It costs almost nothing and it is pure summer joy. Bring outdoor elements inside. A branch of eucalyptus in a tall vase, a smooth river stone as a paperweight. Seasonal living does not have to be expensive. It just has to be intentional. Even the most enthusiastic farmhouse lovers can fall into a few common design traps, so let us talk through them honestly. The biggest mistake is overlayering rustic elements until the space feels more barn than home. Remember, modern farmhouse means balanced, not themed. Avoid all matching furniture sets. They read as staged rather than lived in. Do not skip the textiles. A room without layers of linen, cotton, and woven texture will always feel cold and incomplete, no matter how beautiful the architecture. And please do not forget scale. One large statement piece is always more powerful than 5 small ones fighting for attention. Design is editing as much as it is adding. Know when to stop. And there you have it, friends. A complete journey through a modern summer farmhouse, from the welcoming facade to the beautifully organized garage and every gorgeous room in between. I hope this tour has given you ideas you are genuinely excited to try, whether that is a small accessory refresh in your entryway, a new lighting layer in your living room, or a full patio makeover that brings your outdoor living to life this summer. Remember, your home is your story, and every beautiful home starts with one single inspired decision. You have got this, and I am here cheering you on every single step of the way. If you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It truly helps this channel grow and keeps these ideas coming to you every week. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas right now so you never miss a single tour, tip, or transformation. And drop your biggest takeaway from today in the comments below. I cannot wait to read what inspired you most. Until next time, keep creating spaces you absolutely love. See you in the next one.